You guys, so I know my setup is kind of different. I'm about to show you guys my updated wash routine for my hair. I do have it in this low back pony because I was actually wearing a wig. So I already had my hair out because I typically have my hair braided, but I was gonna wash my hair today, so I just had it slicked back in a pony. Here is my hair. I did have it flat iron, but it got kind of dirty, so I just went ahead and braided my hair down. But yeah, first things first, I was gonna do a voiceover, but I was like, I don't feel like doing a voiceover. I just rather talk to you guys and keep it moving that way. So I do want to go ahead and just comb out my hair first before I wash it. That way, if I do have any tangles, I'm not like wetting my tangles and washing my tangles, because it's going to make it harder for me to actually detangle my hair when it's actually shampooed. So I'd rather just go ahead and just detangle my hair now. So I do have it parted in two. So I'm just going to comb it out. I'm going to take this and split it in half. Just going to do the back part. Same thing, just gonna comb it. All right, now my hair is combed out. I can go ahead and start my wash day routine. So I do have my shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner down here ready. I'm going to be using the Garnier Whole Blends line. I have the Hydrating Shampoo. It has a coconut water and vanilla milk extract. It does make your hair nice and soft, and I have featured this on my channel before. I don't think in an actual like wash day routine, but I want to say I hauled it on my channel like a couple of years ago, so I still do have that. And then for my conditioner, I pretty much kilt the conditioner. Whenever I wear my hair in its curly state, I always tend to co-wash my hair versus shampooing my hair. I typically shampoo my hair at least once a month in its curly state, but I would co-wash my hair pretty much weekly. So that's why my conditioner is pretty much like used up compared to the actual shampoo. It's going to be the Hydrating Conditioner, and I like it a lot. It's a really good leave-in, and it's also a good like rinse out conditioner, so recommend this. And the Garnier Whole Blends lines, you guys, is a really good line if you have curly hair. I know typically when you hear Garnier, you think of like not for women of color, but the Whole Blends line is a really good line for them in terms of like for curly hair, so do not sleep on it, and it's super inexpensive. And the last one is going to be the hydrating mask. I don't have a lot left. I only have a little bit, so I think after I do my wash day routine today, it's pretty much going to be over for that. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hair washed. hair wash, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and pretty much just detangle my hair one more time, and I'm going to deep condition my hair as well. One thing I want to say is I typically, when it comes to like shampoos, I don't really have like a specific in terms of like what I like and don't like, because I mean it's just what it is, a shampoo. But I do get more specific in terms of like what I like for my conditioners and deep conditioners, because that's what's going to really help. That's going to really help to like strengthen my hair and make sure it's like conditioned. So I do pay more attention to that compared to like my shampoos. So I just kind of feel like I don't mind changing up and trying new shampoos, but my conditioners, I like to keep my holy grail on hand. I will try a new one, but I pretty much keep like my holy grails like ready to go. So here is what my hair is looking like, if you guys can see that. So as you can see, it's nice and detangled because that preparation beforehand helped out a lot. And I like to finger detangle the product into my hair, make sure every strand is coated. I'm getting water and conditioner all on my kitchen floor. So you guys can see. Look at that. Nice and curly. I'm just going to go ahead and twist this up right here because this section is ready to go. You guys, I'm just going to take my Natural Mother's Natural Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Defining Detangler and just spray it in my hair. And then from here, that's pretty much it. I just go ahead and I style my hair, whether it's going to be a wash and go, a twist out, braid out. I told you guys I'm going to be protective styling, so I'm just going to braid my hair down. And that's pretty much just what my updated wash day routine looked like, you guys. All right, you guys, so after I pretty much just like deep conditioned my hair, I did put my hair in like for a little twist, and I did let my hair air dry overnight. You guys know I don't really put heat in my hair that much, so I did let it air dry overnight, and then of course my hair was dry. I went ahead and braided down this part, so you guys don't have to sit there and watch me braid my hair down, but when it was air dry, it just pretty much looked like this. I do have my water bottle right here ready to go, so I do apply some water to my hair. Not a lot, just a little bit to kind of get it back a little bit wet, but not like soaking wet. And I just comb through it. And I'm going to use my Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Replenishing Hair Milk just to leave it in my hair while my hair is braided down. That way my hair can have some moisture to it. Definitely don't want to leave my hair dehydrated while it's braided down, so at least it can have the water and of course the hair milk to give it that nice moisture. And next I'm just going to braid my hair. All right, next I'm going to take some oil. I do have my almond oil. Just going to apply it to my actual parts to just make sure my scalp is not dry. My scalp does get dry and it starts to itch, so I just want to make sure that I don't have that issue. But I won't start it off because my hair is freshly washed, but I know during the duration of it starting to get dirty, it's going to start to do that. So I like to pretty much do this at least once a week. And I just take the rest and I just pat it and squeeze it in my hair just to kind of like seal in all my moisture, because you guys know oil is a sealant. So I like to seal in all of my moisture in my hair. All right, and I have my toothbrush and I have my Eco Styler, and I go ahead and I apply the Eco Styler to my edges. I like to form my edges first before I actually put my wig on. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to form. Then I have two bobby pins to pretty much just take this and just put it down. Because my hair is long, I don't like to use this because it can leave like a little lump in the back. So I prefer to just bobby pin my hair down to avoid that lumpiness in the back. That way my wig can just lay nice and flat. All right, now I don't like to use a stocking cap because the stocking cap always slid back on me every time I wore a wig, and it used to drive me insane. So that's the reason why I didn't really wear wigs that much, because it always slid back and my wig would always shift back. So the lady at the beauty supply store told me to try this Velcro headband, and I did try it out, and you guys, it has been the biggest saving grace in terms of not moving my wig. It's pretty much just a Velcro band, and you just put it on your head, and that's pretty much it. I do not wear a stocking cap. Number one, because it makes me hot, and number two, because it keeps moving back. Even when I had this on with the stocking cap, it kept moving. So I just prefer to just do this by itself, and it does not move at all. It only cost me $2.99 at the beauty supply store. So if you want to wear wigs and the issue you have is the wigs moving back, get you one of these. It's just a Velcro band. You guys, it's like the best kept secret of life, and it does not move as far as my wig is concerned. And I don't use glue, I don't use tape, I don't do none of that. I told you guys, convenience is key for me with my wigs. So you can either put it like right here if you want to. You can put it exactly like on your baby hair, like on your hairline. I prefer to put mine back here because I like to have my baby hair show. So I'll just put mine right back here. And I just put the Velcro on. And that's pretty much it. And then from there, I pretty much just put my wig on. All right, you guys, so I do have my wig right here ready to go. And it does have the 2 clips on the side, and I also have the clip on the bottom that came with the wig. And I do have my headband on ready to go. So now we just put the wig on, and that's pretty much that. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video as far as my updated, you know, wash day routine, how I take care of my hair under my wigs. That's pretty much it. Like I told you guys, I just prefer convenience. Like I don't want to have to do anything else to my hair once it's on. I will tell you guys this, throughout the week, if my hair tends to feel like really like dry, I will spray the anti-breakage keratin oil by xoxoox in my hair. I told you guys, or talked about this product to you guys in numerous videos. They do have different versions of the spray, and I've tried them pretty much. I've tried them all, not like all of them. So I do spray this on my hair. It starts to feel dry throughout the week. That way my hair isn't just sitting there dry and dehydrated. That's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer any questions for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.